Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I am doing an incredible unboxing by Let's Resin and I've got some exciting news. So if you already follow me, you will know that I am a Let's Resin ambassador stroke affiliate, and my representative over at Let's Resin emailed me and asked me if there was anything else I'd like to try. And oh my gosh, as soon as I saw these on the website, I was like, please, can I try these? And she sent me them. It is a pack of 3 crystal tower molds. They are huge, okay? I've never done a pour this deep and I am so excited to try them. Super flexible silicone, so I'm already like, I'm not worried about how I'm going to get them out. And it comes, like I said, a pack of 3, all different sizes. And even the small one is big. The small one is still the size of my hand. So I'm really looking forward to creating some incredible pieces in these. They are all, I think they're, hexagonal, and they've got a really pointed tip with faceted edges just to make them look like crystals, and they are sturdy. I'm excited to try them. All of the details of everything you see in this video, of course, will be linked below with those affiliate links. And this is the instructional sheet. So the Crystal Tower Silicone Molds is the name of them. And just these photos, oh my goodness me. Look at this. The flowers inside with rose petals. Really got me thinking. So actually, I already kind of know what I want to try for the first time, but this instructional sheet is so good. I really find Let's Resin's instructions really good. They have step by step how to do things, how to mix it, how to pour, how to clean, how to demold. And then they've always got this kind of little troubleshooting section, like if something goes wrong, this is what might have happened. So here are their socials, Let's Resin. If you want to follow them, check them out. But again, all the details will be in the description box below, and I'm beyond excited because look. Now, obviously not related to Let's Resin, these were sent to me by one of my amazing patrons, Kari, who already sent me some incredible things. She sent me the starfish in a recent video already. These have to go into one of these crystal towers because that is what it kind of shows on the sheet, and I want to try and recreate it. Kari also sent me some seashells and some craft sand. So yeah, I'm also thinking oceans, layered pieces. I don't know. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to try these. It is ridiculous. I've already put this out to my patrons and I was like, look what I got. This is so exciting. You will, of course, need potentially a deep pouring resin for these if you're doing it in one go. If it's one big deep pour, remember to get your resin right. The other thing they sent me was this huge box of alcohol inks. This is a 26-piece set. We all know I was running out of alcohol inks, so this is another blessing. Again, the instructional sheet is so detailed. The instructional sheet is what I was trying to say there. It's so detailed, so it's got the step-by-step, and of course it's got a whole page dedicated to Daniel Cooper, who also uses Let's Resin's resin and their alcohol inks to create these beautiful effects. So yeah, again, really full of instructions. Now they do come individually wrapped. I'm guessing that's because they are potentially, you know, stopping any leaks from happening in transit. So to save me kind of opening them all up on camera, here they are. There is such a selection, but I'm most excited by the blues. We've got peach red, purple, midnight blue, azure blue, cerulean, sapphire blue, dark magenta, dark indigo, red, purple red, yellow, lemon yellow, emerald green, yellow green, turquoise, this one, can't say it, magenta, orange, coffee, I'm excited for, brown, I'm excited for, black, forest green, and 2 white sinkables. Now, the brown and the coffee I'm most excited about because I'm thinking, you know, coffee. Now, the most exciting news. Do you remember this mold? Do you remember this mold that I made? This DIY mold that I made on my channel recently using Let's Resin silicone. I created these Jesmonite pieces and I created some other things as well using this mold that I made. There's a cocktail stick stuck in there, but pretend that didn't happen. Well, my exciting news is that Let's Resin have asked me to become a silicone rubber ambassador for them. Excitement was real, and you guys know that I keep it real as much as possible. I emailed back and I was like, I'm not sure I'm going to have the imagination for that or the ideas. I'm not sure the ideas will keep coming. I've already got 3 projects lined up, but oh my gosh, I am so excited. They've sent me another 2 boxes of their silicone rubber. And again, the instructional sheet is so visual, so helpful. I'm such a visual learner. They've got really cool ideas of what you can use as a vessel to create your own molds, and then it gives you step by step. And look at this, cookie cutters. Oh, I actually have cookie cutters, so I'm going to be using my own metal cookie cutters in the next few things that I do, and I've already got some amazing things lined up to mold because I bought them a few weeks back, not knowing that Let's Resin were then going to ask me to make more silicone videos. So basically, everything is linked below. What this means is that there will be more silicone mold videos on my channel, and that is what I am so excited for. I need to breathe. I need to grab a cup of tea because this was a good day. This was a very good day when Let's Resin actually contacted me and asked me to do this. Everything is linked below. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen in this video, and I literally cannot wait to get started. Now guys, I was going to continue on with the alcohol ink, but silicone, I don't know, it's calling me. So I might just put the alcohol ink to one side for now and start making some silicone molds. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Remember, everything's linked below. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you're as excited as I am. Any ideas? Put them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!